Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for another build. This time we've got a Sabre 45, getting a whole laundry list of stuff going on here. So I thought we'd just do another daily update. You guys seem to like seeing that and seeing what's going on behind the scenes here. So let's hop on board and see what we got going on. All right, so the first thing we get on board after we kick off our shoes, you notice here, we've got our cardboard down, and we've gone ahead and put our protective cardboard down anywhere that we're going to be working on the boat so that everything is taken care of. We've gone ahead, we've put drop cloth runners down inside of here. We've got all our, protective gear down everywhere. And as we walk in here, you can kind of see we've got all the wiring in the overhead torn apart because we've got to get all this wiring run throughout and all around. We've also gone ahead and we've started our to-do list. So now anybody coming on board the boat here, they can see the list, they know what's going to go on and what needs to be done. So really helpful, great part of the teamwork for the crew here. Everybody knows what's going on. See behind us here, we've got the helm blown apart. We've taken out the Garmin Volvo displays so that we can go ahead and we can start for the Garmin on deck. We've got hubs, we've got a bunch of other stuff going on inside of here. And then if we take a little quick detour and we go down these stairs here, we go into the guest cabin. You can see we've got a lot of wiring going on in here. And a lot of this is our under helm wiring. You can kind of see, we take a peek up in here. So this is all going to get filled in here in short order with a bunch of electronics and the black boxes. So we've got to get all these wires run and get everything taken care of. So it's all in the preparation. TJ and the crew have been hard at work on this one today. And stay tuned. Day 2 is coming up. Let's see what they get done tomorrow. Peace.